The financial year 2023 to 2024 has concluded, and we trust all have managed their taxes prudently. Many individuals rushed to invest in ELSS and NPS for last-minute deductions. Let's steer clear of such hurried decisions and optimize your deductions and credits, thereby retaining more of your earnings. Here are some common tax savings mistakes to avoid. Choose your tax regime wisely. With the recent changes in the tax regime, new tax regime has become the default one. So, first calculate which tax regime suits your profile. Analyze your various sources of income and deductions. Think twice before you invest. Don't just invest in any scheme to save tax. Choose options that suit your financial goals, risk appetite, and diversify well. Maximize your deductions. Many tax-saving instruments offer deductions up to a certain limit. You can claim the deductions under various sections of income tax ATC, ATE, ATD, 24B, etc. in old regime. In new regime, you can claim a very few standard deduction of 50,000 rupees and employer's contribution to NPS majorly among others. Last-minute rush. Waiting until the last minute can lead to wrong decisions and missed opportunities. Start planning early to avoid last-minute stress and unlock a wider range of tax-saving options. Assess your tax liabilities at regular intervals. Regularly monitor your estimated tax amount and adjust savings accordingly based on actual income and expenses. Also keep a tab on advance tax liability in each quarter. Pay it on time to avoid late payment fees. Level up your financial game this new financial year. Remember, tax planning isn't just about saving money today. It's also very much about building a secure financial plan for tomorrow. If you need assistance with tax planning, don't hesitate to contact our team of financial experts.